Hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name is Keezy and I am NottaNailTech. Today we're going to be looking at this set of toenail tips and nail tips that I got off of Amazon and from the brand Novo Ovio. Now these come with the regular square nail tips, and they also have the matching toenail tips. Well, not necessarily match because these are a little more rounded. So I like square toenail tips. So I also purchased these, which are much more square. See the difference? So I'm going to go ahead and use these today, but I wanted to buy the whole set because this whole set was like $22. I need to look that up. Where's my other phone? So this whole set with the nail tips and the toenail tips are $22.99. And this set of just the square toenail tips are $24.99 by itself. So let's say you just got this set here. It's 15 different sizes in the nail tips and 15 different sizes in the toenail tips. And there's a count of 16 for each size. So each complete set of toenails that you put on and complete set of nail tips that you put on will cost you $5.74 for the complete set of 20 nails. Now that's without the lamp and top coat and all the other crap you need to use. But just this will cost $5.74 for each complete set. Pretty good. So I went ahead and got on the floor because I couldn't figure out a better way to record this. I don't want to put my foot on a desk. That's just going to be too much for me to do. Too old for that. So I guess you're going to have to see my toes. Warning, this is not going to be pretty. So if you do not like toes, this may not be the video for you. But I have not done my toes in a very long time. It's actually been 3 months. So let's get real. I mean, I haven't cut them or anything. All right, y'all, don't talk about me. Here we go. You ready? Oh, the things is a mess. Yeah, I did this set about 3 months ago. Look, I still got a couple of rhinestones on there. Look at that. Go ahead, nail glue. And I guess we'll start by cutting these bad boys down. Don't y'all be showing nobody this. Jesus. What's going on? Ain't no point of working on no extra nail that ain't gonna be there, so we'll just cut it off first. Oh man. I don't care about them being straight or anything. I just want to get them down. And I barely got any paint on here, so I'm just going to go ahead and drill that off. All right, I think I'm going to use some cuticle remover this time. And let sit there a sec and push back the cuticles.
Cuticle from the nail bed.
I'm also going to take my cuticle cutter and take off some of that excess skin that I always get right here on my toe. And just cut that off. Really makes a big difference. And I'm just skimming right over that skin. It looks like I'm not pushing hard. Just skimming right over that. I know, it's gross, but it gotta get done. Gotta get done. And my toes, I mean, yeah, that was out of control right there. But usually I don't have to do my toes too often. You do it right, lasts you quite a long time. You don't have to do it as much as you do your nails, and that's why I went with a regular French tip too, because I changed my nails so much. At least it won't clash. French tips don't really clash a lot with your nails, as much as a pattern would or something. So I'll go ahead and do my other toes off camera, and I'll be right back. So I'm going with my drill now, but you see right here, that's where I did a little too much last time with my drill and went a little too far down. So I'm gonna try not to do that this time, but I'm in a real awkward position, so just go along that cuticle, get anything else that's dead off of the plate, and just take the shine off of my nail. Then I'm gonna switch bits to this little round bit right here and smooth out some of that skin at the top of my toe. Yeah, now that's looking much better. Some cuticles. Now let's go ahead and get our sides together. Now for the toes, like I said, I'm not going to use the ones in this box. I'm going to use the square ones. We got a matte coating inside, so I shouldn't have to do any filing. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to need the biggest size for my big toe. Let's see. Supposed to do sidewall to sidewall, yeah. And then I'll size out my nails from here. I didn't press play. Okay, so we prepped and primed our nails. I got my taffy gel here. I like it because it's thick and it's going to stay in place. And that's just my jump off anyway. I like this gel. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna go ahead. Let's try to do it how I do my regular nails and just bump that in place. I think we're fully covered. I'm gonna take my, hold on, do I got any extra coming out? I'm gonna just wipe away any extra. Don't do this with regular gel. Now they say you're supposed to be able to touch this gel and not have any issues. I guess we're about to see that right now. Because I'm sure gonna wipe it away with my finger. And I think I'm on straight. So I'm gonna take my flash cure lamp and cure that right into place. And that looks crooked, don't it? Because it's straight, but my toe isn't straight. So doesn't that look weird? Does that look weird, y'all? That looks fine, right? Uh-oh. I don't know. Ooh, I don't know. No, that's fine. That's fine, I guess. Ooh. What a tangled web we weave. And I usually do 3, but I guess I'm gonna do 1. I think this gel's, I don't know. Let's see. And see, that's why I use this gel anyway, so I could take my hand off and kind of place it. Yeah, that looks good. And I give that a full cure, 460 under the big lamp. And once we're done curing it, we get to take these little tabs off here. Just twist them. And they will come right off. Like so. Take our file and get rid of that little bit right there. Put it straight. And just take off the little niblet. Now I'm going to break back out with the drill and just go along the cuticle line there, getting all that oozed out. I don't know why I was being so messy this time. Well, I know why, because it's hard in this position to do it, but I'm just getting anything that oozed out and making sure that I don't touch the actual French on there because I don't want any paint to come off. So just the cuticles. See, look at all that. Because you don't have all that spillage. Make sure I have enough there. And I'm going to go like this and wipe it on the nail. Go down here, push down. See if I'm even in there. Yeah, I look pretty even. Cure this one right now. Get a good drop going. Spread it on the nail. Take it down. Press down. I'm going to try to put them all on. Notice I didn't cure in between none of those. Cool. Now cure it for 60 seconds. And same thing here. Straight to take the little nibs off. Quick foul around the cuticle. So now I'm just going in with my top coat. This will help protect that French paint that's on there and provide a little bit of strength to the nail. Same thing to the toes. And a little cuticle oil to finish it all off. And what a huge difference from where we started. I think they look nice and cute and elegant. Just a cute little set to throw on real quick and keep it moving. And I'm just going to insert a quick update because I recorded this video 1 month and 1 day ago, and my toes are still looking pretty good. I took off my nails, but my toes are still looking good. And thank you so much for stopping by today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.